Hi student, today we are going to see Standard 5th Computer Science. The lesson name is MS Office Publisher 2007. Come, let us move to the video session. MS Office Publisher 2007. This is lesson number 4 of Standard 5. Launching of MS Office Publisher. To invoke MS Publisher, we have to click on Start button, All Program, Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. After that, the dialog box will be open for you. To create a publication, either click on the desired publication type from the publications. That means there will be many types of list will be there. From that, we have to click. The populous publication will be found in the center. After selecting the publication type, another window opens with many pre-designed templates. There will be many templates will be there. From that you can type anything. After selecting the templates, you can see many things. That means the publication window will appear with the selected templates. There will be menu bar will be there, toolbar, title bar, working area, rulers, object toolbars, and then page icon. Like that, many things you can see in this picture. Title bar. Title bar is displayed on the top of the MS Publisher window. It will be there on the top of the window. It contains the name of the active publication along with its type. Either it may be a printed publication or otherwise it will be like a web publication. You can see on the left side there will be three buttons will be there. That is, one is for minimize, maximize, and then close. These are the three buttons which appear on the title bar. Menu bar. Menu bar is found below the title bar. As the name suggests, the menu bar comprises of various names. There will be many names will be there in the menu bar. Each menu contains a list of options that can be selected to perform a task. It can perform many tasks in the menu bar. Toolbar. A toolbar contains a collection of buttons, each performing a specific task. There is three types of toolbars are there. There are standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, object toolbar. First, we are going to see about standard toolbar. Standard toolbar will be found below the menu bar. We have already seen that. Where is menu bar? The button in the standard toolbar are used as a shortcut for frequently used command. That means if you want to create a new file, we can use new. If you want to open a file means we can click on open. We can save, we can take a print, cut, copy, paste. We can undo and redo it. This is standard toolbar. The next one is formatting toolbar. Below the standard toolbar lies the formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar consists of many formats, that is, which can be typed in the publication, which can be text in the publication. Next one is object toolbar. Object toolbar is displayed on the left side of the MS publication. You can see many things. It allows the user only to insert the objects like text box, tables, auto shapes, word art. If you want to do any art in the word, we can click on that. If you want to do shapes, if you want to create some shapes, means we can do it. If you want to make a table there, you can do with the help of a object toolbar. These are the three types of toolbar which present in the MS Office 2007. Task pan. Task pan are displayed next to the object toolbar. You can see many things. It allows the user to quickly access the page option. You can see the page wise. And then colors. You can see many variety of colors which we can see in the computer. And then font scheme. Font means it will be the letter of the size will be bigger or smaller. You can choose with the help of the font scheme. And the last one is quick association will be done with the help of the taskpan. Rulers. Rulers control the margins of the publication. There are two types of rulers in MS publication. It will control the margins of the publication. For example, while writing in the notebook itself, there will be margin space will be there. The same like it also allows in computer. There are two types of ruler, that is horizontal and vertical rulers are there. Working area. Working area is the area where the user can create their own publication. We can create our own publication with the help of a working area. If you want to create some calendar, to create a calendar, first we have to start with MS Publisher. And then we have to select the calendars, which types of calendars we can want. Many predefined calendars will be there on the displayed item. You can see many types which you can want to choose. You can choose from that. Choose the desired template and then click create button. We have to click a create button will be there on that. After creating that, now we have to work on the calendar. If you want to change something, if you want to change the date, if you want to change something in the calendar means we can do the changes with the help of the working area. Saving a publication. To save a publication, first we have to click on File and then Save. If you give Ctrl plus S also, it will be saved. You can see the dialog box will be appear on the save screen. In that, what we have to type means we have to type the file name with the help of the file name text box. There will be text box will be there. If you type the file name there, it will be saved. After typing the text box, we have to click a save button. After that, it will be saved fully. You can see later also if you want to save. After saving, if you want to see the image or if you want to see the file again, you can open with the help of a file and then you can see the file as you have selected. Closing a publication. If you want to close the publication, we have to click on file and then we have to choose close button. If you choose there, you can give close. If you want to open it again, the same thing we have to do it again. Click on the file button and then click open. The existing file will be opened as it is. If you want to exist again, the same thing will be followed. Click on to the file and then give exist. This is a procedure to follow in MS Publisher 2007. I hope you all understood about the lesson MS Publisher 2007. Thank you, students.